Hello, welcome back to my channel. Um, my videos are usually for kids, but today I'll be doing something else that will be beneficial not to kids only, but everyone inclusive. So, and I'm doing this because some of you suggested that I should do videos on something that will be beneficial to not kids only. So as time goes on, gradually I'll do my best to make sure I include or I carry everyone along too. So today my video is going to be on computer or ICT. It's something that happened to me 2 weeks ago, so I guess I should share it with everyone in case you encounter the same problem. There's no panic, you can do it by yourself. If you look on the desktop of my computer, and actually look at my cursor or my pointer, my mouse pointer, and I'm actually touching my touchpad. I'm trying to navigate the mouse. If you look, I'm touching, nothing is happening, it's not moving. So it means I can't use my mouse on the computer to do anything at all. So this happened to me 2 weeks ago. It's probably me who did it unintentionally, or probably the kids that I usually coach. Maybe kids can play. Maybe they thought it's a tool for playing. They must have navigated into my mouse environment and disabled my mouse. So when I came to work on my computer and I noticed that. So what I did, I've not experienced it before, but when it happened, as a computer scientist that used to working on the computer environment, I just had to calm down and use my head, and I was able to solve the problem. So I thought I should share it with everyone. If you find yourself in this situation, there's no need to panic. If your mouse refuses to work, you have your keyboard. Initially, keyboards were used rather than mouse. So it's as time goes on that the use of mouse and touchpads were initiated. So I'm going to use my keys to navigate wherever I want to and solve the problem. So first of all, I need to get to my settings. This is it on the screen, or I may decide to use my window key, any of them, to navigate. So if I press my window key, these options are going to pop out. This window is going to these options are going to pop up, and this is my settings option. So I'm going to try to navigate down to these settings. So if your mouse isn't working for you to navigate, you can use your tab key to navigate, and you can also use your arrow keys up and down, left and right. So all computers have these keys. So now I'm going to use my tab key so that it can get me to the initial point where I can then navigate to where I want to. So this, I've pressed my tab key and it's pointing here. I need to navigate down to get to settings. So I will use my down arrow key and I'm navigating. Watch, there it is. I'm at settings. So now that I'm at settings, all I need to do is to press my enter key so that it will take me to the settings, environment, and there we go. So we are in the settings environment. We have systems, devices, and I'm going to get into the devices option because that's where I need to go to get my computer or my mouse activated again. So I'm going to use my tab key again. I'm going to use my tab key to get me to the first option, and it has gotten me there. So from there I'll need to navigate using my right keys. So I'm in the devices now, so I'll press enter, and here I am. Bunch of other options. So by the left here it says mouse, so I'm going to navigate down to mouse. I press my tab key again, tab, it's on the first option there, so I'll use my down key to navigate to mouse. So there it is. If I press enter, it takes me to mouse environment. So if you look up here, you're going to see additional mouse options. So that's what I want, additional mouse options. So I'm going to navigate to that point now. So I use tab, 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 and there we are. I'll use my enter key. So here is my mouse options. So if you look, you have buttons, pointer, whatever. So this is touchpad, that's touchpad. So that's exactly what I want, touchpad. So that's where I'm going to get to. It's already clicked, or it's already selected. So what I'll do, if it wasn't selected, look, it's moving. Assume your touchpad wasn't selected, just use your left key from the buttons option there. From the buttons option, use your left key, navigate, keep navigating until you get to touchpad, and that's it. So here it says settings, enable, disabled, restore default. So it's already disabled, and that's not what we want. That was the reason why I can't use my touchpad or my mouse. So I need to enable it for me to be able to use it. So I'm going to use my tab key again. So tab, 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 tab. Okay, so it's on enable now. It's highlighting enable for me. So all I need to do is to come to my enter key and press enter. So you can hear the sound there, and look at this, this means that my mouse now is okay for use. So we're done here. So look, the mouse is moving again. I can now use it. So for the I also made, they also, should I say I also, or should I say they also, because I don't know who actually did it. They turned my my right key for clicking and my left key for right click, which is not supposed to be. So this says left button action, so I'm going to set that to primary click so that I'll use it only for clicking. Then my right button action, I'm going to set that to secondary click. so that I can use it not only for it's not for clicking but for right clicking options. So when I'm done setting all that, I'll say apply, then I'll say OK, and that's it. My mouse is back to normal. I can now use it again, so I'll close, and now I'll check on my buttons to see if they're working properly again. So if I use my left key, yeah, it's working, it's for clicking, so I'll click outside. And if I use my right key, what the hell, okay, so they're all functioning properly now. My right key is my right, and my left key is for clicking. So that's it. Case problem solved and case closed. So if you find yourself in such a situation as mine, you don't have to panic. Just follow the steps and get your problem solved. So I hope this video is useful. If you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Leave a comment too if you have any. Thanks.